In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to remove all your tagged photos or tagged posts on Facebook all at once. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Facebook app and also of course log into your Facebook account if you haven't done so already. And then you should be taken to this page right here. And by the way, this is also possible to do if you have a computer instead of the Facebook app, but in my opinion, it's much easier to do so on the app itself. But it is possible to do on the computer as well, just so that you are aware of that. So what you're going to do is to find the profile button in here. So click where it says profile, and then you should be taken to this page right here. And now as you can see, you're just going to scroll down a little bit in here, and then you should be able to see just to the right of edit profile, there's like 3 dots as you can see. So click on those 3 dots because then you should be able to be taken to this page right here, and that is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to locate where it says activity log. So click on activity log. It's just going to load, and then you should be able to be taken to this page right here. So now you're just going to be taken here, and then you're going to click on public tags. So click on public tags, and in here you will be able to see activity that you're tagged in, as you can see. So right now I have already removed everything that I was tagged in before, but if you're currently tagged in anything, then you will be able to see it in here. What you're going to do is to just select all of them all at once. You're just going to select them either one by one, or you can click on a button in the top left corner that will select everything, and then you will be able to remove everything all at once. So that is basically exactly how to do this.